It's been over 30 days after those allegations of alleged sexual abuse and obscene videos, that of multiple women that surfaced, with the suspended JDS leader Prajwal Revanna, who's been finally arrested upon his arrival from Germany late last night at the Kempegowda International Airport in Bengaluru. He was arrested by the Karnataka SIT, the special investigating team that has been probing the case minutes after he landed at the airport. Dressed in a grey hoodie jacket, off-white track pants and white sneakers, his flight that arrived from Germany around 12:45 a.m. He was escorted out by the airport officials around 1:30 a.m. and thereafter straight taken to the CID office around 2:15 a.m. Ever since he's been there at the CID office, we have been getting this morning pictures as well as far as team of his lawyers who have been arriving there.
ಅದರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅವರನ್ನ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರ ಕಸ್ಟಡಿಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರನ್ನ ಕಾನೂನಿನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಏನು ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರನ್ನು ಜುಡಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಊರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಅವರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Now, what is being said on the ongoing investigation that his phone, his passport and other belongings likely will be seized by the police. He will then later be produced before the court after a medical test that is conducted. This is usually the norm that is followed on the arrest of an individual within 24 hours. And it is being said that the test will happen at the Bowring Hospital, where security that has been beefed up. The police is also scrutinizing exactly when it comes to Prajwal Revanna, who was in abroad for over a month, who was aiding him, who was in touch with, and exactly when it comes to the case, the details of who helped them in his stay abroad, whether there was anyone helping him to evade the authorities, all of those angles will also be looked into by the SIT.
How are the legal proceedings going to go forward from here?
No instruction, ma'am, please.
No inspection, sir?
No instruction. ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಸರ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಮೊ ಇಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕೆ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಮೊ.
Okay. This is just routine procedure.
Routine procedure. Just to take arrest memo.
Okay. All right. Well, in
Just
fact,
an intimation that they are arrested. That's all.
Now, before his arrival, the JDS leader or the suspended JDS leader had filed for an anticipatory bail. But that plea that has been accessed by Times Now will have no legal standing for now, as his arrest that has already happened. So the plea that said that the applicant had a valid and tenable defense had denied allegations against him. Of course, that was something that he said in that self-shot video of him, saying that the electronic evidence has been fabricated to frame him. There was political vengeance, saying the pictures and the videos that have been morphed to damage his reputation.